Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to show you this really fun Lego set. So this is the Adopt Me Pets from the Friends edition of Legos. So this is a really nice set if your kids love animals. My daughter absolutely loves animals. So this one has a little booth where you can take care of your animal. It has the cute Adopt Me sign. It has a little cafe area if people are visiting, looking at their pets. I love this sign that says Adopt, and it's got the cute Lego balloons. How cute is that? And then you have all these different little Adopt Me booths, and you have all different animals. So this was really fun to build because we kind of were guessing which animal was going to have what booth just by the food that they have. So the detail on this is really cute. You have your little hamster who has a little water container. You have a cat. You have a little hedgehog, which is pretty cute. A little pig. All the different animals that it comes with is cute. I love the fact that it has a baby stroller. I think this is the first time I've seen such a tiny little baby when it comes to Legos. And it also has I like a little cup and a coffee so people can sit and drink. It's a very fun set. It was very fun to build. I love just taking the time to be able to build with your child. It's a very fun activity to do, but that's just my point of view.